welcome to Caleb's Trains.
On today's video, me and Caleb will be doing our layout rebuild update number 12.
Whoa, 12. That's a lot.
Yep, 12 update videos.
We've gotten a lot accomplished.
We have.
Things are going along pretty quickly, I would say.
I think we got our track plan is solidified. We've been doing landscaping and stuff like that. So
I've been on work with my ballast.
Yep, Caleb's been a ballasting crazy man. We got a lot accomplished there. We'll show you that here in a minute. So yeah, it's starting to come together nicely. Of course, we do end up running trains, so we get distracted, but yeah, we do get a little bit of work done. So yep, I think that's about it as far as the layout goes. We're gonna show you guys what we've gotten accomplished, and yeah, like we said, we'll hope everyone's staying warm and safe. Like I said, most of our country's under some severe weather. It's kind of crazy. Some of the places that are getting snow that don't. So
there's a lot more snow here than there is in the snowy area on our layout.
That's true. A lot more snow. I can vouch for that. I've snow blown my fair share, and it seems like I'm not getting anything accomplished because every time I look out, it's covered. A lot of snow. So
it's
anyway,
like you plow the snow and then it's back.
Yeah.
Plow it again, it's back. It's like I got rid of you, and then you're back.
Yeah, we're running out of places to put the snow or pile it up. It's pretty awesome. That's all I can say. Sarcastically.
Yeah.
So, other than that, I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Yeah. No football. No, you got your baseball.
I do have my baseball.
Yep,
but too bad we don't have any more football predictions.
No. Yeah. So you got your winter workouts for baseball. So
okay, that's something good.
Yeah, that's at least something to look forward to. So we've got that. So yep. Other than that, we're gonna get to this run session, and hope you enjoy it. And we just recently went over 2,500 subscribers. Which was awesome. We appreciate everyone.
2,500 subscribers.
Yeah, we appreciate everyone joining the consist here on Caleb's Trains. We're glad you coupled up to us and enjoy watching our videos. So that's always a good thing. We thank everyone for that. And yeah, you got anything you want to share?
Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. Smash the comment button if you want to ask us or tell us something. I love reading comments. They're wonderful.
Yep.
And then also smash COVID and get it out of here, okay? Please. Get out.
All right. I wish it was that easy.
Like you punch it and then you get a broom and you just sweep it out of there.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, that'd be real nice.
So anyway, again, we're going to get to this layout update and run session. So let's go. You ready?
Happy railroading.
All right.
Oh, and also I almost forgot. Happy Valentine's Day, and make sure to wish that special Valentine Happy Valentine's Day.
All right. Now we're ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get to this updating trains.
Yeah. All right, we're back. And look at this. I mean, just look at this wonderfulness.
So these are the two sidings that we put in over by the farm. I put in a little extension here so that we could have just a little bit more area, so we could put that line in all the way up to that edge. Caleb made a little stop there.
This is actually it's a foam bumper that I made by myself.
And we're gonna put some railroad ties and stuff on it, make it look even cooler, I think. So then the other one, we have our New York Central Freight, the Hudson.
Yeah, the Hudson's right here.
Yeah, that's on that one. That one's all been ballast. Caleb did that. And, the milk car and the platform.
And the platform does work.
It does.
And then this car can actually like shoot out.
Right there, we put the controls in for it, and it works. So that was just we had to wire it up.
Simple.
So, and then we want to show you here. These are all of our 21-inch UP passenger cars, and they fit all the way in here. In this, it's up to the bumper. And you can see now, instead of having to take these off when we're not going to use them, they're all the way on there, and they're clear of that switch over there. So then the other switch, like I said, we have the Hudson on there, and with its freight cars, and it's ready to run. And then we have our other two spurs we have over here, where we have Caleb's random box cars. And a caboose. And then on the other line, we have the exclusive Caleb's Trains, Pennsylvania locomotive and set. So, yes, that's an exclusive, one of a kind right there. So, Caleb's Trains.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we've been up to. In between the tracks, see if I can get this. Caleb's been doing landscaping in there. Yeah, so we still got more to do, obviously, but we got quite a bit. Nice little start. Like I said, this one, we curved this one out, and there's another one of Caleb's little bumpers he made. And we're going to detail it more, but came out great.
You.
So that's
also,
about.
put in the comments down below if you like my homemade bumpers.
Yes, please. And then in this area, on the previous rendition of our layout, this area here was there, and there was tracks that ran around it, which obviously we've removed those, and the table, but we had kept this area, and we put it back in. It fit right back in.
This place is also known as Caleb's Spot.
Because Caleb made this. He did all that himself.
All of this. Detailed every single little piece of it.
So we got some more. We're going to tie it all back into everything. But, yep, that's where we're at. So, kind of an overview of the layout, where we're at right now. And, yep, I think we're ready to run trains.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.